Hi guys, and today we have a very special guest, Kritika Kirti, a fourth year MBBS student from Jilin Medical College, China. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, Shivam, for such a wonderful introduction, and I'm happy to be here.
Okay, so now we will have a conversation about the details of the college, Jilin Medical College, China. So let's begin. Firstly, how is your college different from the other colleges in China?
Okay, so JMC, Jilin Medical College, is really strict in rules and their implementations. We have really strict rule about attendance and classes, dormitory timings, and this really helps sometime in maintaining a routine and balancing your study schedule. But at sometimes you also miss your student life, and my college is not among any top 10 universities in China, and it holds 19th position in country and 339th position in world. So at that time when I was getting admission in the college, I was not knowing about anything like that, world ranking, country ranking or anything. And my college is also really new to start the international department. My senior most batch is 2015 batch and we are 2017 batch. So it's really new at starting the international department. Also, GMC is quite good at faculty, and the curriculum is also quite similar to what is being taught at Indian medical colleges.
Okay, so that's really great hearing about the disciplined life you have. So specifically tell me, where is the college located in China?
Okay, so the college is located in Jilin province, and it borders Russia in east, and it's really a really cold place. And what we enjoy is I love snow very much. I was really excited to see snow for the first time, but now it's it's more like a problem. And the nearest airport is the Longjia Airport in Changchun, which is the capital city. And that's it.
Okay. So now please tell me, elaborate about the curriculum, the course curriculum, MBBS course in your college.
Okay. So we also get to learn all the 19 subjects which are being taught at Indian medical colleges, and only the sequence is different. In the first year we have our Chinese subjects. You have to learn the Chinese language to survive there. So first 6 months you have only Chinese subjects. After 6 months you get to learn histology and anatomy along with embryology, whole anatomy, and in the next semester you are going to learn biochemistry, physiology. So the sequence is different from Indian medical colleges, but the subjects are really same.
Okay. So please tell me about the faculty in your college.
Okay, so I would like to say that every institution has all type of teachers, ranging from excellent to extremely knowledge, and same goes with the Jilin Medical College too. We have really good faculty. If you want to learn, then they will help you with everything, like paper, research, everything. I'm not more interested in research work, so I never approached that, but I got to know that there are some teachers which are also good at research activities. So it depends on you, how much you want to learn, how much you are able to extract from them. So
okay, that's great to hear about the helpful faculties. But now tell me about the students out there. What kind of an environment are you in? It's a competitive environment, it's a healthy environment. Please describe that.
So it's a kind of mixed environment. If you want to pursue something good, if you want to be in competition, then there are a lot of students who are really competitive and then also maintain a really healthy competition. And if you want to enjoy your college life, you don't want to focus, then there are also that kind of people. So it's actually totally dependent on you, what you want to learn.
Definitely. So now please tell me about the campus of your college.
Okay, so this is something I really show off with all my Indian friends. I have really good campus, and We have our teaching building is really nice. We have multimedia classrooms, and our laboratories are well equipped. And the university has three. The library is the main focus of the university, and I love library. I love the library of my campus, and there are a lot of e-books, lot of medical journals, and Indian author books are also available, but there are really few. And one more thing, we have a really nice playground. I'm not more of a sports student, but I like the playground. We have basketball court, tennis court, well-equipped gym, and everything which you need to survive your college life at best.
Okay, so one more thing which the juniors would want to know for their survival will be, how do the seniors treat you? Now that you are a senior of your college, that's there. But when you entered the college, how were the seniors and everything?
Okay, so I would say just two words. They are supportive and they are really fun. So at first it was like you all know, being medical student, we all know there is a kind of introduction kind of thing which goes on in every college. So I was really scared, like what will happen, ragging will happen, what would I do? So my seniors are really supportive. Like it's in China, you are not able to buy even a bottle of water if you don't know Chinese. So you can imagine yourself that if seniors are not there, you are not going to be able to survive there. So at first, when we just entered the college, they helped us with shifting our rooms, getting food at time, and if some student get some kind of sickness, if they get cold, like the environment is really cold, so seniors are always there to take them to hospital, to take care of them, to make food for them. And sometimes there are also situations that seniors have to stay in hospital with some students, so they never hesitate at doing that too. So seniors are really supportive.
Okay, so that's great. Now that you have given a description, like every description in a very positive way, I would like to really ask you specifically about the disadvantages. Like, are there any disadvantages which needs to be pointed out beforehand, before a Indian junior of yours like flies to China? So any disadvantages they should be aware of?
Yeah, there are disadvantages too for everything, and same goes for JMC. Like first disadvantage which I always feel is weather. Like for studying properly, you need optimum environment, like to adapt. And in Jilin, it's really cold, and it's really cold. I can tell you, like sometimes temperature goes down to minus 35 degrees Celsius, and you have to go to classroom, go to library in that chilly environment. So it's really hard to adapt in that weather. And the second thing which I really miss in China is clinical exposure. We don't have much of clinical exposure as students in India get. So these are two disadvantages I would really like to talk about. And the third one is, if any student is really introvert, they don't know how to communicate, it's really hard for them to adapt there, because if you need somebody's help, you must know how to ask for it. So it's really hard for introverts to adapt there.
Okay. So tell me about your hostel life, the mess food, and the environment in the hostel, everything.
Okay, so first thing I would like to tell you that at JMC we are not allowed to stay out of college accommodation, and we stay in college accommodations. We have our own dormitories, and I have two roommates. And college life is really nice. Rooms are really spacious. We enjoy being at hostel, and it's really secure. And talking about mess food, I rarely go to mess, because we have a lot of Indian restaurants and outlets which serve Indian food. So, and they are also feasible. So I prefer more going out for my lunch, and for dinner sometime I go to mess, and the food is really good. Actually, and one Indian chef came to teach them how to cook Indian food, so they learned really well. So food is good.
Okay, that's great to hear too. And last few questions, like what is the fee structure of your college? Give a normal general idea.
So the current fee structure is we pay 1,70,000 Indian rupees. So and plus you can add your taxes and conversion fee also.
Okay, so 1,70,000 per year it
Per
is?
year, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Anyways, the last question, the last one, that is, what will be your advice for the juniors who would join your college in the upcoming years?
Okay, so I would really suggest you that don't hesitate. Just go for it. Doing MBBS from China is not something you should be ashamed of. I think most of you will come to know. You will understand why I am saying this. So just go for it and always be clear in your mind what you want to do. Like if you want to go for USMLE, just be clear in your mind. Don't change your goals every month or every year. Just fix a goal and work for it. It's not hard. You just have to put more work into it. Like you missed your government seat, so obviously if you missed at some step of your life, you have to work more harder at another step of your life. So I would say just go for it and be confident.
Okay, so that to a few words of wisdom from your lovely senior. I hope you loved the conversation. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you got an idea about Jilin Medical College. So thank you.